afternoon, everyone. Now that we are finally on our way, I'd just like to once again take a moment of time to introduce myself and some of the team. Again, my name is Aidan Rickard, and it's my pleasure to be the manager aboard this Boeing 777 service bound for New York's John F. Kennedy. I'd like to apologise for the late departure of this service. As you may have can see, it's a very busy morning here at London Heathrow. And I know that our flight crew did all that they can to try and expedite our departure. But as we do get closer to New York, our flight crew will give us an update of our most up-to-date arrival time. But as I said before, I've got an amazing team of 13 cabin crew looking after your safety as well as your comfort on board today. Working alongside me, I have senior cabin crew member Amy Smith. Now, Amy will be based in our World Traveller and World Traveller Plus cabins, leading the teams there. But I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome back those of you returning from our British Airways Executive Club. Thank you for continuing to include British Airways in your travel plans, and it's a pleasure to have you back on board with us. I'd like to add my personal welcome to each and every one of you. And if you'd like any information about our British Airways Executive Club, then feel free to speak to myself or any member of the team. For your own safety, please do remain seated at this time with your seatbelt securely fastened, and it must be fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on.